Okay, so for this one, 1.9, we're again working with some matrices. We have mat A, D, and C, all with values, and we have mat D with values. And basically, the whole premise of this one is just kind of going through various simple functions, but the kind of catch is that we're going to be using different uh, classes, I guess, in another class. So like right here, we have this multiply class, and then we're making a new class within this one, and we have different functions like multi 5 times 2. We have 2 times mat A, which kind of works as a scalar, and we have C times 3.5. And basically, this is what's going on here. We have a bunch of multiplication things. So you're probably wondering where this multiply and this multi are coming from. And it's coming from this other file I made, multiply19. And it's kind of just dealing with all of this. It kind of defines all the different multiplication methods I would be using. So it kind of calls all those functions. If I need inverse, if I just need standard multiplication, if I need scalar multiplication, all of that's going to come from here. So as you can see, we have inverse multiplication right here with newer matrices. We have length and times another length, kind of talking about two matrices. We have just normal multiplication. We have like a number times a, which kind of acts like a scalar. And I also pulled from another I guess homework 1.6, which also dealt with multiplication. So even in this one, which is putting things into 1.9, I'm also putting things into this one for 1.6, which we did previously. So that's pretty useful and basically more efficient with your time, that you don't have to type it all again. You can just kind of identify it in one function and then use it in that new function, which I guess saves you time from typing the entire thing out again, which is nice. And then, so I have inverse again, and then this is kind of defining the variables, and it's going to be printing it out. So I guess we'll run it. So if I run it, I'll get a bunch of different values for all these three functions. And then, yeah, so basically I got at D times these, and I got a bunch of values. And then for this one, I got a few values, and for that one, I got a few values. So, yep, there we go.